everyone, this is Fai. Today I'll be showing you a makeup tutorial using the new Wakemake Mix Blurring Eyeshadow palette forestbrown. I think this makeup look will be perfect for upcoming autumn season. If you want to start your autumn with a new makeup, watch this video until the end. I'm going to start by applying a semi-glow finish foundation all over my face. This moisture foundation is one of my favorites. The coverage is really nice and it's really easy to blend it out. And you can skip this step if you don't have dark circles. I'm using the same tip concealer in Peach Base to cover these annoying dark circles of mine. And next, I'm going to apply a little bit of powder to set the concealer to make it stay longer. Now, I'm going to use an eyebrow powder first to draw my eyebrows. And then I'm going to fill in the empty spaces with skinny eyebrow pencil, and also to make the eyebrow shape look more defined. For the contour, I'm using one of my favorite shading powders. I'm going to use the medium shade to contour my nose first. And then I'm going to use the dark shade to contour the side of my face and also my jawline. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm just going to use one eyeshadow palette for this look. Because I have dark circles, I'm going to apply the light color first to lighten the area around my eyes. Next, I'm going to apply the peanut color to make a deeper illusion. And then I'm going to apply this nude dusting pink color all over my lids. Next, I'm going to apply the mauvish color onto the lower lid. I'm going to use a blending brush to apply the dark brown eyeshadow onto the outer corner of the eyelids. The blending brush will make the color look softer. And also apply it onto the inner part a little bit like this. Next, I'm going to give accent to the eye makeup by applying the glitter eyeshadow onto the middle part of the upper lid. And then I'm going to apply the white glitter onto the inner corner near the teardrop. Spread it a little bit onto the lower lid as well. Next, I'm going to draw a short line on the outer corner of the eyes, just right near the lower lash line like this. Next, I'm going to apply the nude peanut brown blusher onto the area beneath my eyes, just around the cheekbones. This will make a slimmer illusion if you have high cheekbones. Next, I'm going to line the waterline. Now, I'm going to draw the eyeliner. I want to make my eyes look like an almond shape, so I'm going to drag the tail a little bit longer at the end. And then I'm going to apply the dark brown color a little bit more onto the outer free, like this. Now, I'm going to apply a waterproof mascara onto my eyelashes and apply the falsies as well. This time, I'm in a mood where individual eyelashes, it takes so much time, but, well, I don't know why I prefer to wear them today. And then I'm going to make the eye also look more obvious by applying a glitter eyeliner like this. I think the makeup looks too brownish, so I'm going to apply a little bit of peach color blusher onto my cheeks to give this makeup a little bit of color. Last, I'm going to make a plumpy lips. First, I'm going to apply a nude lipstick all over my lips to make my lips look bigger first. And then I'm going to apply a mauve lip tint on top of it. Last, I'm going to apply a little bit of lip gloss to create a glow lips effect. Now, the makeup is done. What do you think about this makeup look? If you like it, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!